Hey guys, Cyrus here from Talking Headphones. So guys, I know it's been a while since we put up a new video, but because I was not well, you can still can hear my voice is a bit stuffy. So sorry about that. Anyways, guys, so what we have today is we finally got our hands on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which is considered to be one of the best smartphones of 2018 overall in terms of performance, in terms of display, in terms of the camera. So what we have here today is the blue version of the phone, which you can see it is such a beautiful looking display, and it has a 6.39-inch quad HD display, which of course supports HDR10 as well, and it has of course Gorilla Coding Glass 3 on it. When it comes to power, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is running the Kirin's own 980 7 nanometer processor, which is basically an octa-core with a Mali GPU of G76 MP10. When it comes to storage, the one we have right now is the 6GB 128GB variant. But you also get an 8GB 256GB variant as well, and you can add the additional 256 memory if you use the second SIM to insert a memory card slot. So looking at what you find in the box of the phone, so starting it off, you get a screen protector with it, and of course you get a back cover, which is a plastic back cover, but I think they should have given a more stronger back protector, but well. So then we look, of course, it has you get headphones in it. The headphones are USB Type C. It doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, so that is one thing to note. Next you have your USB cables, which is a USB Type C to USB A connector. A USB A connector helps you connect to your laptops and of course the charging brick. Finally, what we find is a USB Type C to 3.5mm adapter, which will help you attach any headphones you would like to attach with it. So what you can see here is that the charger is a fast charger, and it really is a fast charge. Actually, the brick itself is quite heavy, so that is one thing to note. From the OS point of view, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is running the latest Android 9, and which is basically on EMUI 9. So you get all the Pi features on all the phones. So guys, talking about the camera, which is one of the main features of the phone, at the back of the phone lies a triple camera setup with a 40 megapixel wide sensor, a 20 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Now the main thing about this all these three cameras is that the zoom is crazy. The level of details you can carry because of the 40 megapixel sensor is awesome. We have taken some sample shots so you guys can judge on your own what you think. We have taken multiple variants of pictures. We have taken zoom shots, we've taken wide angle shots, we've taken night modes, we've taken the ones which we have basically taken macro shots as well, so you guys can check that out as well. One thing to note is that the OIS the optical image stabilization for videos is actually very good, and you can basically take videos up to 2K at 30 frames per second as well. On the front side of the camera, you see a 24 megapixel front facing selfie, which of course features HDR as well, and it can record videos up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So guys, one thing to also note is that we have so the fingerprint scanner. That is one more thing which is unique in this device, is that the Mate 20 Pro comes with an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which it is actually a new thing, considering now you have fingerprint scanners either at the back of the device or at the front of the device, but this one has the fingerprint scanner this one has is on the screen. Personally, I think that it is not as quick as a physical fingerprint scanner, so maybe I'm not too much of a fan of it. But if you don't feel, if it doesn't work for you, then of course you can just use the lock screen as well. Checking out the speakers of the phone, it basically, the volume does actually become quite loud, so that is one cool thing. You can judge for yourself how loud it is. I'm not sure your speakers can catch that much, but personally I think the speakers are quite loud, and they're actually quite loud as compared to a lot of its competitors in the market. From the battery point of view, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with a massive 4200 milliamp battery, which is of course fast charging, and it has one of the world's fastest chargers, which is a 40 watts charger. So that means it can charge up to 70 minutes in half an hour. One cool thing about this phone also is the reverse charging feature, which is pretty cool. You don't find it in any other phone so far. It basically lets you charge your secondary phone if it has wireless charging activated in it. Okay guys, that was the full review of the Mate 20 Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit on the like button, and do hit the bell icon as well so you get notified as soon as the next video is up. Okay guys, take care until next time. Bye bye.